quarter. Oliver, what's going on? Are we just seeing gyrations, a little bit of profit taking in the hog market for the time being, or what's going on there?
Well, a little bit. Obviously, the headlines having a huge effect on this morning's price action. And I think earlier this morning when we saw the liquidity kind of vanish and we go limit down, a lot of people just kind of standing back with their hands in the air saying, it's like hot potato. No, we don't want to touch it yet. Now that we're coming off the lows a little bit, perhaps we get some new buyers to come into the market. If you look at where prices are today, we're at lower levels than we were last August before we really took off on the back of the ASF concern. So I think there's probably decent value somewhere around these levels, but again, it's a highly volatile market. We're kind of waiting to see how the dust settles through the first part of the week. But looking back at the longer-term chart over the last year, you'd think that we'd try to find a little bit of a base here. Hopefully, we can get this tariff situation maybe kick down the road a little bit. I think that would help support prices. It'll be very interesting to see how the rest of today's session plays out. I think that should set the tone going forward this week.
The Dow Jones Industrial Average right now is down 584 points. Is it going to be possible to rebuild this cattle trade with an equity market position like that?
Well, it's still a very young trading day and a very young trading week. There's still a lot of things, a lot of time for things to turn around. I was talking with some guys earlier this morning. We're just kind of in that 2019 market environment where we're only one tweet away from reversing. So I wouldn't be surprised to see things stabilize here in the first part of the week and set up for a buying opportunity in the back half.
Thanks, Oliver. Oliver Sloup, Blue Line Futures right there in Chicago on a very exciting Monday, John.